Where are you going? Where are you going to go? Huh? Come here. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Isaac. Huh?
Should lay some of that meat out to cook tonight.
I'll see you later, Isaac.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Gee. Look at me. Come here. Come here.
You want to stop at Walmart and get some soy?
I can. That's fine.
Well, I need some Scotch tape too.
Okay. What?
Hi, Steve. Did you ever change his diaper?
Not yet. Yeah. Ooh. Look at Daddy. Come on, let's go. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey, look at me. Look here. Come here. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look, hey. Isaac. Hey, come here. Oh, you little rascal. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at me. Look at Daddy. Mr. Isaac. Look at Daddy. Oh. He's so precious. Oh. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Hey, buddy. Look here. Look here. Oh. Come here. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Ooh, he's a little speed demon. Oh, my goodness. Oh, he's going to catch me. Oh, he's catching me. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Come here. Come here.